masuk serah ingsun masuk serah 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 di tengahing jagat raya jagat raya jagat.
Om Swastiastu. Hello, my name is Kadek Purnawan. I'm from Bali, Indonesia. Puna pigatra, dumogi becek-becek kemanten nge. Well, fewer Balinese people can actually understand what I'm saying. Balinese language is, in fact, one of many endangered languages in Indonesia. Bahasa Bali is a not-profit organization working in collaboration with linguistic team from Udayana University, the Balinese Governor's Language Board, the State Language and Agency, and other language experts from within and outside Balinese to engage as much as Balinese populations as possible in strengthening their own language. There's a monthly online contest to involve as many people as possible, and it will culminate in a poetry reading of one of the winners. And it will take place at Bali Art Festival. There is a poetry slam at Arma Ubud in honor of Saraswati Day, the Balinese Day of Knowledge. And one of the greatest singers, Ayu Laxmi, will perform at that poetry slam. Last but not least, please do support us to strengthen our local language, Balinese language. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Om Santi, 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 Om.